Welcome. In this video you will see how to remove Microsoft Edge with MS-DOS prompt. This method can be used for Windows 10 and 11. Unluckily you can disinstall it as other applications. As you see in App and Features in Windows 11, but how to reach this section? With mouse clicks on the Start flag in the middle of Windows 11 taskbar or Win 10. Then you choose the option App and Features. As you see, it's not allowed to disinstall Edge browser. Let's start with the procedure. Open Edge. Click on menu bar at up right side. And you choose Settings. Then select About Edge browser. In this image you see the Edge logo. Copy the number version under it. And after open Notepad app. Here you paste the code of number version. Now we open the prompt. In the taskbar click icon lens. Open the search menu. Here write CMD with as administrator way. You will see the old MS-DOS prompt command. Minimize the CMD window and come back to Notepad. Here you can copy this command cd %program files, x86, %Microsoft \Edge \application \xx \installer in the XX replace with version number previously paste on this paper. Then copy and paste it this command in prompt DOS. Don't worry. You can find commands in the description section so you can copy and paste. Now in your prompt write this command, setup uninstall force uninstall system level. if you have thought about it. To reinstall Microsoft Edge, you can download it from the Microsoft Store on Windows 10 or 11.
Thanks for watching. And if you want, subscribe to my channel.